Hello, what are titles anyways? Have you ever asked yourself if and how they matter? It isn't that simple, but here is my observation based on my work in the corporate world. Yes, titles matter because they make people aware of their effort and progress over the years. They add value to the corporate structure, and last but not least, they account for a better income. However, if people are only driven to accomplish power, status, and authority, I can guarantee that this will lead to disengaged and disgruntled employees. Leading with passion and purpose is key for a life with more fulfillment and greater self-satisfaction. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. I see so many people who lose the drive to improve themselves when they get to a certain point in their career. They all suffer from destination disease because they think they have arrived. This is a phrase coined by Dr. John C. Maxwell, which I love because it's so true. Please know that if you want your team members to improve, you will have to improve. That's it. If you like this video, please make sure to click like, leave a comment, share with your network, and of course, subscribe. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.